Good morning, my name is Anita Tena Penagos. I'm going to talk about Spain versus Tocancipá. Okay, I live in a town. It's called Tocancipá. This famous for its big industry and central brewery and racetrack of cars. The daily routine of a typical people of my town is, for example, my daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock and then I take a shower at 6:30. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock and I go to the university and start classes at 8 o'clock. In the afternoon, I arrive to my home and I have a lunch and I do my homework all after. In the night, I have I have a dinner and go to the bed at 11 o'clock. In my free time, I watch TV or listen to music. Okay, the weather of Tocancipá. So my town is cold in the morning and the night. In this month, is raining in the afternoon. The clothes for this weather and the whole year is usually use jeans, shirts, jacket, and sports shoes. Um, there is not a typical sport, but the people of my town play soccer frequently. Um, they use shorts and sports shirts and sneakers. Um, the international city or country is Spain. The first thing that they do is have a breakfast. They have a breakfast at 8 o'clock. They take a shower and get dresses at 9 a.m. They go to the bar for coffee and sometimes to eat at 11 a.m. In the weekends, they go to the church in the my day. Um, Usually, they have a night out after 9 p.m. Okay. They have party time in the summer from midday until late. Uh, this country is famous for royal palace and gardens because it's the Spain version of Versailles. Um, Spain have four seasons. For example, in the summer, the people use dresses, the chairs, bikini, and sunglasses. In the winter, the clothes are very hot. For example, jackets, hats, gloves, or mittens. Um, so in the summer, they use these clothes because is hot and humid. And in the winter, it snows. And the typical sports of Spain is the soccer, and they use sports shirts, shorts, and sneakers. Okay, thank you.